Imagine waking up tomorrow to discover that the world's most powerful nation isn't the United States or China, but Canada. Sounds far-fetched? Well, what if I told you that Canada already possesses everything needed to become the next global superpower? Let's dive into how Mark Corney, a visionary leader with unprecedented foresight, could potentially transform Canada into a world power. First, consider Canada's incredible natural advantages: the world's longest coastline, abundant freshwater resources, and vast untapped mineral deposits. But that's just the beginning. Canada sits on 20% of the world's freshwater reserves, controls vital shipping routes through the Arctic, and possesses some of the largest oil reserves outside the Middle East. As climate change reshapes global politics, these resources become increasingly valuable. Corney's strategic vision focuses on leveraging these assets while building sustainable infrastructure for the future. Under Corney's proposed leadership, Canada could capitalize on its highly educated workforce and strategic position between Europe and Asia. By investing in cutting-edge technologies and modernizing transportation networks, Canada could become the ultimate bridge between continents. But here's where it gets really interesting. Canada's relatively small population of 38 million people actually works in its favor. With Corney's proposed immigration reforms, Canada could carefully select skilled professionals from around the world, potentially doubling its population while maintaining high living standards and social cohesion. Corney's economic strategy includes developing smart cities across the Canadian Shield, transforming frozen tundra into sustainable urban centers using advanced technology. These cities would be powered by renewable energy, connected by high-speed rail, and designed to withstand climate change. The plan also involves strengthening Canada's military presence in the Arctic, not for aggression, but to protect vital resources and shipping routes. By establishing itself as the guardian of the Northwest Passage, Canada could become indispensable to global trade. What makes Corney's vision unique is its focus on soft power. Instead of military might, Canada would leverage its diplomatic reputation, multicultural society, and environmental leadership to influence global affairs. By investing in renewable energy technology, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology, Canada could become the world's innovation hub. Corney's blueprint includes transforming Canada's economy from resource-dependent to knowledge-based, while still maintaining its agricultural and natural resource advantages. This dual approach would create unprecedented economic resilience and global influence. The path to becoming a world power isn't just about military strength or economic might. It's about creating a sustainable, innovative, and influential nation that shapes the future of humanity. With the right leadership and vision, Canada's moment on the world stage might be closer than we think.